Today on the sofa I'm interviewing Berry Wiersum, CEO of Sappi Europe. Welcome.
Thank you, Mr. Fassold.
My name is Thomas Fassold. I'm editor-in-chief of Drupa Report Daily. What are your impressions after 10 years Drupa?
After 10 days, Drupa, yeah. But, I think that it's been better than I had thought. I was worried. I heard a lot of stories beforehand that this would be a difficult Drupa because of the difficulties in the print industry. And the first 2 days were really pretty quiet. I was there the first 2 days. But over the last week, it's got a lot better, a lot more traffic. There's some novelty that I see. There's a lot of interest for the digital papers, but not just the digital papers. I've been on some terrific stands belonging to conventional machine manufacturers. And so I think after these 10 days, particularly yesterday was an excellent day, I think it's going to be a success.
Okay. Sappi came with a new stand concept to Drupa, not one single stand, but three with different topics. Why?
We decided to be a bit different. And we wanted to show off very specific things. We didn't have one general message we particularly wanted to make. We had different things. We have a new digital product called Jazz, and we decided to have an exposure of that near the digital stands belonging to HP, with whom we have a close cooperation, not just with HP, also with others. And then we have our new technical support system called Call Houston, and we wanted that near Print City to focus on it. And finally, we have simplified our brand structure, and we have a new family of brands. We wanted to explain that, and we put that near the Heidelberg stand.
Okay, please could you tell a little bit more about the project Houston?
Yes, it's a rather innovative thing. As you know, the idea is that if you have trouble, then it's a well-known thing, call Houston to get out of trouble. We've set up a support system whereby it's both digital and you can call people. So it's an open system whereby you can put information in and you can extract information. You can indirectly talk to other printers and you can solve your problems that way. You can get advice from Sappi, you can get advice from others as well. Mm-hmm. It's a nice thing.
Okay, what advantages do you ascribe to paper in terms of sustainability?
Well, paper has a fantastic story to tell about sustainability, particularly in Europe, where, as you know, there has been reforestation to the tune of 1.5 million football pitches every year. And the paper that we produce is made exclusively from controlled wood and certified wood. We have spent an awful lot of money on improving our energy program, so we now have one particular mill where 80% of the energy is either self-generated or is from renewables. And of course, the paper we make is the direct feedstock for recycled paper. Mm-hmm. So from our perspective, it is a very sustainable picture indeed.
Okay. And what do you think are the future prospects of paper?
Future prospects of paper are going to be dominated by an interplay between the new technologies of digital media, the tablet technology, and then on the other hand, what you can do with paper which gives you more than what a tablet can do. And so I think it has got slightly smaller. I think it will continue to get slightly smaller, but there will be a floor. And then the future of paper will be along with the economy. And what is very important is that for paper suppliers, you must nowadays be easy to do business with, you must control your costs, and you must be appealing to your customers. And if you do that, then the future of paper is fine.
What do you think, which are the most important trends visitors can see on Drupa?
I think the most in trends probably are the digital trends. Those are the ones that are attracting the most people. There are a couple of stands which seem to be full all the time. I think that's a big thing. But I also see that there is a lot of interest in new ideas of printing, a lot of 3D printing, this kind of thing. So there is novelty there, and I think that's what attracts people. Because in a recession, people eventually, you cut costs, but you can get bored that way, and customers get bored. They want to see something new, something different, and there is something different here.
Mm-hmm. And how many times have you been to Drupa, and when was your first?
Well, I've only been to Drupa. This is my second time to Drupa. So I was here 4 years ago, and that was amazing because it's for me so new. I came from outside the industry, and I've never seen an exhibition with so much technical wizardry as there was then. And this time it's the same. There's just a lot of technical wizardry, a lot of things going on, and a lot of enthusiasm. I see very, very committed people.
Okay, it's great spending time with you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.